Hello everyone, I'm Aisha and you are tuned into the 710th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story today examines a massive financial boost to India's maritime sector. In a significant development, the government has cleared the proposal for the Bharat Maritime Insurance Pool, backed by a staggering guarantee of rupees 12,980 crore. This strategic intervention is aimed at providing a safety net for the shipping industry, covering risks associated with domestic and international water transport. The General Insurance Corporation, also known as GIC, will play a pivotal role in this initiative. By establishing this substantial fund, the government aims to bolster the maritime sector's resilience, reduce dependence on foreign reinsurance markets, and promote self-reliance in ensuring India's vast commercial fleet. Moving on to our next story, we look at a vital aspect of health insurance: preventive care. Our very own Amarnath Saxena, Chief Technical Officer of Commercial at Bajaj General Insurance, sheds light on how policyholders can maximize their coverage to combat non-communicable diseases. With nearly 63% of deaths in India attributed to lifestyle ailments like diabetes and cardiovascular conditions, early detection is key. Amarnath Saxena explains that modern policies now include OPD coverage and annual preventive health checkups, which can reduce the risk of death by about 45%. He advises listeners to leverage digital apps for seamless claims and teleconsultations. Crucially, he notes that utilizing these preventive benefits usually does not impact your no-claim bonus, ensuring you stay healthy without losing out on rewards. Our third story focuses on the growing healthcare demands of the Indian diaspora. India hosts the largest community of overseas Indians globally, and with healthcare costs soaring in countries like the USA and UAE, many are looking homeward for affordable treatment. To tap into this, the Indian insurance industry, as highlighted by our very own Amarnath Saxena, Chief Technical Officer of Commercial at Bajaj General Insurance, is tailoring specific health plans for NRIs and OCIs. These plans offer comprehensive coverage similar to resident policies, often coming with attractive discounts of 10 to 40%. A significant advantage of these policies is the continuity benefit. If an NRI decides to return to India permanently, their waiting periods for pre-existing diseases are protected, ensuring seamless financial security without having to start their policy journey from scratch. Our final story spotlights a major gathering of industry leaders. According to a report by ET Now, at the Swadesh Insurance Mahakumbh, industry titans convened to discuss the pivotal role of insurance in safeguarding our future under the theme, "Is Your Life Covered?" The discussion emphasized that insurance is not merely a financial product but a crucial tool for wealth preservation and family protection. The leaders delved into how evolving insurance solutions are addressing the dynamic needs of consumers, stressing that adequate life and health coverage is the bedrock of long-term financial planning in an uncertain world. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.